Looking for a hassle-free way to access and manage multiple hard drives at once? The Thermaltake BlacX Duet HDD docking station offers blazing fast USB 3.0 SuperSpeed transfers at up to 5.0 Gbps per second. That's 10 times faster than USB 2.0. Whether you're moving files or backing up data, this docking station keeps your workflow smooth and efficient. Designed to support both 2.5 and 3.5 SATA I, 2, 3 hard drives, the BlacX Duet works seamlessly with Windows and Mac OS. It lets you read and write to 2 drives simultaneously, so you can quickly transfer data between them without unplugging or restarting. This feature alone saves you valuable time and effort when juggling multiple storage devices. One of the standout benefits is the hot swap capability. You can swap drives on the fly without powering down your system, perfect for users who need rapid access to several HDDs or SSDs throughout the day. Plus, the plug-and-play installation means no software is needed, just connect and go. The BlacX Duet also offers user-friendly features like an easy-to-use eject button for safe and quick drive removal. When the unit is active, the LED power button glows blue, giving you clear visual confirmation that your drives are ready to go. Its compact design maximizes heat dissipation, keeping your drives cool while adding a sleek look to your workspace. If you're someone who deals with large amounts of data or frequently swaps hard drives, this docking station is worth a look. It combines speed, convenience, and reliability in a single device, making your data management simpler and more efficient. No more fumbling with cables or waiting for slow transfers. Despite some concerns about packaging during shipping, the product itself performs reliably and meets expectations for speed and durability. The solid build quality and consistent performance make it a dependable tool for both personal and professional use. Ready to streamline your storage setup? The Thermaltake BlacX Duet HDD docking station gives you what you need: fast data transfer, dual drive access, and hot swap convenience without complicated installs. Try it when you're ready to upgrade your hard drive management and save time every day.